This room is ready to host a dinner party. But where is the food going to come from? Not from this kitchen. What a contrast. So we better get started on working on this kitchen. Since this is the kitchen that I'm going to try to work with, I will be using one of these two papers for wallpaper, and they are cardstock. So to start, I'm going to take measurements of the wall and make a template with just plain paper. So 7.5 width, but I'm going to go a little bit bigger because I can always take off, I can always cut it down, but I cannot increase it. Okay, and the length is a little bit over 8, so I'm going to go completely 8.5 just to make sure that I have enough. And now time to cut it. Now I am positively sure that my template will fit by doing a dry fit, because the cardstock is pretty stiff and it has to fit perfectly. And for the flooring, I'm going to use fiberglass. This is a sample of a tile. These are for free. And this is going to be enough to cover the floor of the entire kitchen. These tiles, I'm going to cut the size of this Lego. They're going to be rectangles. I have enough strips to cover the entire floor, and I even save these tiny little thin ones in case I have to fill in some gaps. Now it's time to cut them across. I have all my tile laid down, and now I'm going to go ahead and start gluing it.